are going to be reviewing one of the biggest guns, in my opinion, toy that I ever seen. Look at this monster! It's gigantic! So if you're new to the channel, I want you to subscribe right now, like this video and comment good comments because I haven't been actually making a video since a while. And I'm trying to make new videos to come back all of those not videos. Anyway, let's get back to the video on reviewing this gigantic Zuru XC shot. This Zuru XC shot was created by a company called Co. It is gigantically massive. You see, it comes with 10 dart bullets for this monster to shoot, and according to Co, it can shoot for over 17 meters wide. This person's just screaming while shooting this gun. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Okay, we have it, guys. It's all set up. Now we're ready to play. So this is how you insert the bullets into the gun so it's able to shoot. So first, there's gonna be like a lever here at the end. You open it, you pull it open, and there's gonna be like 2 places for the bullets. Put 1 and 2. Close it back, get ready to shoot, and oh wow, that's strong. Do it again. That is really strong, people. There's also a safety place at the back of the gun, so you can put your bullets inside and keep it safe when you're trying to fight. When you're done, just close it. So if you want to see, this is how powerful this gun is. Oh wow, that is really powerful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and comment a good comment. I'll be seeing you in the next episode of Owen's Toy Garage. Bye! Woo!